Hello YouTube, I'm Jose Carlos for JPad TV, and today I'm going to show you how to do a bevel. So a bevel basically is transitioning from a big pipe to a smaller pipe in a clean way, kind of like a cone, instead of doing an end cap. Now there's people that do end caps, but me personally, I like the look of the bevel. Here's the tools that we're going to need. You're going to need a square. We need a pair of snips, a compass, a thin measuring tape, pair of notchers, 3/4 inch notchers, circumference ruler, and something to write with, marker, pen, pencil. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to measure the bigger pipe and the smaller pipe. So we're going to take our measuring tape. So the measurement of the bigger pipe is 31. And the smaller pipe, make sure it's as tight as possible, 21.5. Something you can do is, if you don't have the circumference ruler, will be just to get your measuring tape and measure the diameter of the pipe, both the bigger pipe and the smaller pipe, and that way you can do your circles. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark our square. So now with our circumference ruler, we're going to take the measurements that we took from measuring the pipe. So the first measurement was 31, and we're going to take half of that, which is 15.5, and we're going to open our compass to that measurement. So 15.5. We tighten our dividers, or once you have your diameter, you open your compass out to whatever half of the diameter will be. Now that we have our measurement, we mark our circle. Next step we're going to do is we're going to take the measurement from the smaller pipe, and we're also going to divide it in half, which in our measurement was 21.5. So half of 21.5 will be 10 3/4. Now we're going to mark our smaller circle. Now we're going to open our compass and mark where the circle crosses this side of the square and this side of the square. So there goes our compass where the circle crosses on each side of the square, and we tighten it. Now we're going to mark our circle. Next step will be from the smaller circle where it crosses to the other side where it crosses. Same thing that we did with the bigger circle, wherever the 2 points cross. Now we're going to mark our smaller circle. Now that we have our circles, we don't need our square anymore. And our next step will be marking 3/4 inch lap from the bigger circle on out. There's 3/4 inch square. Now we're gonna grab our compass from the middle of our circle to the line where we marked our lap. And we're gonna mark. Our next step will be marking a square from our middle of the circle on out. And we're going to cut the square out using our snippers. Now we're going to cut the outside circle with the lap. Next, let's cut our inside circle. Now using our notchers, we're going to notch the lap out. Now we're going to bend our lap 45 degrees. And our bevel is now done. Now we're going to install it. You can use a piece of tape or something, like kind of hold it temporarily. But there goes the bevel. Next step I'm going to do, I'm going to put a piece of metal on top to show you the finished product. So there you have it, there's our bevel. So in some occasions you probably put a bead around the bigger jacket just to give it a more polished finish. But other than that, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Say it like 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Hello YouTube, I'm Jose Carlos para JPAD TV, and today I'm going to show you how... What I keep saying para? Ah! That's so funny. And I'm not even younger, that's the best. And today I'm going to show you how to do a bevel. I think it just shifted. Right when I was like, and I did it alright. Video, please don't forget to like. Right? If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share.